This website design was completely generated using Stitch AI, and honestly, I'm surprised by how much it has improved. If you watched my video from around 3 months ago, you'll remember that I also tested Stitch AI back then when it had just launched. The designs were decent, but they weren't as advanced or visually impressive as what it can create today. Now, Stitch AI has evolved significantly and is capable of generating modern UI designs with much better layouts, animations, visual effects, and overall creativity. Let me show you how it works. When you open Stitch AI, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the website or app you want to create. You can choose whether you're generating a web design or a mobile app design, and you can even select a color palette to match your preferred style. Once everything is set, simply paste your prompt and click the Generate button. Stitch AI then starts creating the design automatically within seconds. And here is the final result. The UI looks clean, modern, professional, and much more polished than before. The improvement over the last few months is honestly impressive. If you're a designer, developer, or someone who loves exploring AI tools, Stitch AI is definitely worth checking out.